Oh my gosh, cousins, if you haven't paid attention, we doing blueberry.
You're definitely gonna want to try this recipe.
We're doing blueberry dessert. So I got that cheesecake filling that I showed you in the last pie video. I had some of this blueberry left over from that pie too, and I mixed it back up in there real good. Gave it a good little swivel so it can make this beautiful color. Them blueberry filling is so good. Got some puff pastries. Put plant-based butter around the edges and only put that cream cheese on the inside with a topping of the blueberry filling, cousin. Threw that mug in the oven on 450 and OMG.
You're definitely gonna want to try this recipe. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Delicious.